Starting with this grayish shade, I'm applying it to the crease and outer corner in a V shape, blending it upwards, and then adding this red in the outer corner for depth. Next, I'm applying this black to the outer third of my lid, and then blending it into the crease shades. With the shimmering purple color, I'm applying it to my lid. Next, I'm adding a nude to the inner corner of my eye, lining the bottom of my lash line with black, and then smoking that out. Going in with winged liner, mascara, and lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Can't help it, I want you.